Hi Ryan, hope you're doing well. Thank you for choosing me for the job. And This is the dashboard that I'm gonna go ahead and give you. So I'll go ahead and kind of give you overview of how we are going to use it. So basically, you'll go ahead and use the same sheet like the way how it is. The person can just go ahead and enter the data as much as they want, and how many ever data that they wanted, they can do it. Even if they wanted to do it, let's say part of a day twice on the same day, everything is possible, and you can go ahead and do it. So basically, the region is in here itself. We have the leads in here, and then all the other information are here as well. So for the I see that you have put a notes as well, like a remarks. I think I've incorporated that in the dashboard as well. So in here, it's pretty self-explanatory. This, you just keep going ahead and go ahead and enter anything, and you should be able to get it rolling. So having said that, I mean, like, once you have the data, all that you need to do is come here, click on this refresh button, and this will just tell you like when was the last refresh, so you wouldn't get confused as to when the the data that and the charts that you see is kind of valid. So I've given that, so when you click on it, it'll just go ahead and refresh and come back and say that all the charts here are refreshed and ready to go. Even the numbers, everything will get refreshed automatically. It's just a click away though. Starting with the regions, eventually uh, you know you go ahead and get the analysis completed versus the target that you have. So that's what this chart takes care, and we have the CMS close completed versus the target. So that's what this does. So these are very dynamic charts. So if you have hundreds and hundreds of data, so since you have, like, considerable less number of data, I've just given only the dates. When we have more, we'll see how do we expand that to month, the quarter, and other things a little later. So for the time being, let's use this with the what to say, the date itself. So as I said, these are very kind of a dynamic thing. So you can go ahead and select and see, let's say, how much Beth did on that specific thing. So whatever Beth takes cash, you will have that specific region updated, and the charts will also get updated. So let's say you go ahead and see for Janet, and you will have it Jessica, and almost like everyone's information right here will get updated automatically, and the charts will auto get updated. And also for a specific day, you can get it and here, and everything. So like I said, that's the whole purpose of dynamic charts and numbers, and that's updated. So moving on to the more information that I have given for the region specific, all these things in here is updated. So if you want to go ahead and see for one specific person, that will be updated here as well, and so on. And that's what that's what these two does eventually. For and then the closure percentage. Moving down, I've given a little bit of split up or the trend with respect to the people, the leads themselves. So they have their targets and everything that's updated here, and I have given the closure completed versus individual targets as well. So you can go ahead and give the update the the comments section right here, so that you'll have a kind of a, if you wanted to go ahead and export this to a PDF or maybe a PPT, you can still do by copying the data with the comments here itself. So that's the whole purpose of that. So having said that, let me know if there was anything else that I need to go ahead and update it. I'll be happy to assist if there was anything else. If not, I'll go ahead and send you the order for your consideration, so that we can proceed with it. Let me know how we can go ahead. If there's anything else, let me know at all for a change before ordering, basically. So your thoughts eventually. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye bye.